Hi, my name is Gasbia Michael and I'm the production manager for Mobility. We've recently moved into our new facility at North Riding. Our facility is equipped to accommodate all the processes. That includes your LED assembly, your station assembly, even signal assembly. We have a fully fledged team that is multi-skilled that can work on every process. That means I can move them from signal to working on the stations to working on the LED assembly. And we have equipped them, we've given them the tools and we've trained them. Their focus when doing any assemblies on the line is quality and the safety aspect. We train them on thinking about the safety of the commuter. So we build quality and we build safety into our products. I'm proud of my team because they are an amazing team. I don't have to tell them what to do. We give them the plan and they work to it. So we will be able to accommodate the customer with their needs. We implemented the lean manufacturing processes in our facility and we've reduced the time spent on assembling LEDs from doing 50 in a week to doing 150 based on the number of people we can accommodate on the line. We also have reduced the time spent on the station from 35 days to 14 days per person. And that is an amazing change by just implementing the lean management principles. We are able to accommodate the customer's needs as and when they require.